Hey, what's going on, traders? This is Talon2303 with Tradelab. I'm pretty excited to bring you another video today. This is an update video, and I've been looking for a strategy for a long time that I could share with you that actually works. I've built a lot of strategies from YouTube videos that have huge claims that never seem to live up to those claims, but I've got one that's been working for me, and I want to highlight that again for you guys. But first, I will say this is not financial advice, not claiming that this is going to make you any money. If you do put this on TradingView and use it in TradeLab, you're using it at your own risk. I'm just showing you what's been going on with me in the past, I don't know, a few weeks. I'll show you the results here. But like I said, I've been really trying to find something that actually does what it says, and this one seems to actually do it. I'll leave a link to the original video for the setup and stuff in the description below, but it was the Trade Pro highest win rate. I don't know why it just did that, but it'll change in 15 seconds. But if you look here, I've got it set up on 4 different coins right now, and Bitcoin is the one that I've had it on the longest. I'm going to tell you also that I think the best thing to do is find a coin with high volatility. Like if you go to Bybit and you look at their list of coins and see what's making the biggest moves that day, I think those are the coins to really use it on, because there's big swings, because this is the strategy that's using the liquidation levels. So after the price retests the 50 EMA, every green dot it's entering. So it's like a DCA bot. And then it's waiting to either hit the swing high where it entered, which would have been up here, or it's going to close on the first sell signal that it gets. So every time it enters, it is entering lower and lower, which moves your entry price down, which puts more in on the trade, which is why if you're going to use it, I would suggest low leverage, but it will constantly compound. And as the price goes down, you're moving your entry price down, but then as the price goes up, you've got more in the trade. And I had started using this strategy, and I'll show you right here, with the rules only putting in 50% per long entry. So I was just testing it to make sure that it worked. And then over the last like 2 days, or let's see, from the 18th till today, I changed that to every entry stacking 100% of the original amount. So you'll see, I think the first 2 were like errors, but still, I mean, you've got 15 trades made and only 3 losing trades. So we've got 80%, $6 profit. I've used low leverage. This was like a $25 account. So making $6 on a $25 account, that's a pretty good account growth. Remember, I had screwed up by not doing the retest. So say from March 7th till today, that's a pretty decent win rate. And I was using a much lower amount going in every time it retested. So, or got a new add to position signal. So that's pretty good. This one's 15 and 3. This one, the numbers are fluctuating a lot. This one is 12 and 3. That's pretty good too. Again, these are real low account levels, and I only changed the how much to add to the order yesterday or the day before. And I'll show you the settings. I'll show you how to change that for yourself too. Let's see about this one. Only one trade made, still open. So we'll see how that goes. And then this one I set up yesterday at the OMG coin because it looked like it had pretty high volatility on Bybit. So I kept that real low. So 1 trade, 1 win, 100%. But I mean, the true test is the one with Bitcoin, which I've had going for a while. So that's pretty awesome. Let me show you the strategy again in the builder. So here is where you can change things around to test it out or whatever. So this is when you're in a long position and you get another long signal, you increase position by 100%. That's what I'm doing currently. I was doing it at 50%. It was doing really well, so I changed it to 100. So same thing with the short. So if you want to, this is where I would change it. I suggest, if you are going to try this at your own risk, that you keep the account percentage low and the leverage low, because you got to think that if you keep entering, if you're using a higher leverage, your liquidation level, your liquidation price is going to be higher. And if something happens, Bitcoin tanks, you don't want to liquidate your entire account. So there's no stop loss on this order. It stops when you get a red dot. It hits your take profit on the swing high, or when the EMAs cross again. So if something were to happen and the coin would crash like crazy, you just don't want to lose everything in your account. So that's another reason to just use caution when you're doing this, or maybe if you're going to try it at first, set it up on like a really small test account or a test net or whatever. But like I said, I just wanted to show you that for me, this is going really well. And yeah, I'm excited to actually show you guys a strategy that works. So if you would like to use this strategy, you sign up for Tradelab. There's multiple different kinds of plans you could use. There is a free plan. I think the best value is in the $49 a month plan. Whichever plan you use, you'll find this strategy in the community browser. So you click on the community browser and you will look for highest win rate right here. Trade Pro highest win rate. Click on it, then click copy setup. It puts it in your strategies list. You can now use it. So if you would like to use Tradelab and try this strategy out, or any of the strategies that I've built, there's an affiliate link below. Like, share, subscribe. I will be doing another video, maybe coming out today when you see this one, also on another indicator that is working really well for me, but I will save that surprise for the next video. So like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.